Let's see. We got a bad connection. So, hey, listen, it's Michelle W. Cofer, aka The Pivoter, helping families pivot into home ownership. I'm super excited. I only got a few minutes to share with you guys today, but I want to talk about 5 reasons why it makes sense to become a mortgage loan officer right now. So listen, many of you have been watching this movement evolve, 75 for all, and we're literally revolutionizing how real estate is done. Some people are going to understand it. Some people are not going to understand it. And there's nothing we can do about those that misconstrue our passion, misconstrue our mission. We can't do anything about that. We can't convince a person that what we're doing makes sense unless they see the value for themselves. But I want to talk about, hey Tara, I want to talk about why becoming a mortgage loan officer this way makes sense. Number one, we are at a time in history where minority families are needing to get into home ownerships, and they are getting left behind like no other time in history ever before. And so as a result, I'm on my phone. Yeah, where's your phone? 7-year-old was asking for my phone. Yeah, so here's your phone, Kylie. You just need to charge it. Give me 1 second, you guys. So as a result of, minority families getting left behind, the number one reason why you want to get involved right now is because with this project, we're focusing on Hey, Pastor Denise, we're focusing on helping those families that have been underserved. There was a recent study that just came out by National Association of Realtors, NAR, however you say it. And they said that last year, guys, 2022, only 3% of all homes that were sold went to Black families. So number one, it makes sense for you to be a loan officer right now because you get to be mission driven and you get to go out there and help eradicate some of these systemic injustices that have kept minority families out of home. Only 8% of the homes sold last year went to Hispanic families. So number one, you want to get involved because it gives you the ability to be part of something that turns the table. Number two, you want to get involved as a community loan officer because it's simply that. You're working in the community. You already have rapport as maybe a minister, a social worker, a business owner, or whatever, and you already have rapport with people. They know, like, and trust you. And guess what? You can help educate and empower them that owning is a better way. I don't care what the interest rates are, guys. Ownership is the only way we're going to be able to create generational legacy for our families. The third reason why you want to get involved with the 75 for All project and become a community loan officer is because you don't have to go through the traditional stuff that loan officers do. Typically, guys, it's a very hard industry to saturate. You have to take the SAFE exam, which got harder after the last market crash. And I can tell you right now, with this platform, there's no SAFE exam. How is that possible? Because you get to partner with a federally chartered credit union, and by law, you can work for a credit union, you can work for a bank, or you can work under a mortgage broker and be a loan officer. So we give you a shortcut where there's no additional tests, no continual education required. It's just easy, right? The fourth reason why you want to become a mortgage loan officer this way, and you want to do it through this platform, is because, guys, not only are you helping in the community, not only are you educating people that already have rapport with you, not only do you get to bypass and shortcut the traditional way, you actually get a loan buddy. Come on, leverage. Somebody hashtag leverage. Many of us would love to be able to go from, I'm new in an industry, I just got started, to now I'm doing business like I'm an expert. Well, at this platform, guys, when you partner with your loan buddy, you have a direct inroads to success. You're working directly with someone who is seasoned, who is a veteran, so you can confidently get your families to clear to close, and you know that the laws are being adhered to. Yes, I see you. The laws are being adhered to, and your clients are getting the utmost value, and they're getting the best level of care because you're with them on the deal, right? So it just makes sense. The fifth reason why you want to become a mortgage loan officer right now this way is because, guys, this is revolutionary. And if you ever thought about how can I explode and expand my income doing something that really does make an impact, guys, Google average loan officer salary. I'm not giving an income claim. Just Google that and look at what the research shows. Look at what Glassdoor says. Look at what Indeed says. I'm going to tell you right now, every American should be wanting to earn additional income. So while we're passionate, while we're mission driven, while we're going to help a lot of people, guys, it just makes sense, number 5, to go get side income this way. One, every deal you close, you're going to earn a sizable commission. Now, I'm not going to say how much that's going to be because the cost of the home loan is going to dictate what you walk away with a commission, but you can feel good about walking home with a comma check, okay? Because somebody got their home and you know they can afford it and you know they're not going to foreclose on it because you put them in the best position, in the best loan product for their family situation. So guys, there are a whole lot more reasons why I can tell you it makes sense. Those are the top 5. It makes sense because we just added title. It makes sense because we're launching a brand new app called Zenny where realtors can come in and they don't even have to know our clients, but sit on our deals and get compensated. So they're coming. It makes sense because we got title. We got home warranty insurance. It just makes sense. It makes sense because the industry is changing, guys. And I'm telling you, I know a lot of us, we like to stay in a position of routine and we don't like to get out of our comfort zone, especially those of us that are professionals in a particular niche, right? And so it's always been done a certain way. Yeah, that's true. But things aren't changing. African Americans, Hispanic families, low income families are not buying homes. And so if they're not buying homes, we have to be creative in the ways in which we reach that segment of the community. This is your opportunity. So if you would like more information on how we're getting ready to revolutionize real estate, period, right? How we're getting ready to show people how to be able to work from home to help clients all in other states become a homeowner. I ain't gonna say better interest rate, because I can't put that out there because that may be steering. So I'm not gonna try to guide anybody, but competitive interest rates. I'll say that. So I'm saying the right thing, working with professionals and being able to, help American families achieve the American dream. Then we're going to be doing a call at 8:00 Eastern. So in about an hour and 15 minutes from now, if you've been tagged in this video, if you are watching this video, you just heard me share 5 reasons why you want to be a loan officer right now this way. I want you to get with the person that tagged you and say, listen, I want in on the call. What's the link? And guys, come sit in on a call. Come see how we're different, how we're helping that family who has challenged credit, who has a high debt to income ratio, who can't qualify or otherwise. See how we're helping them. See how we're showing a family. Listen to me right here. Showing a family that, you don't have to stay renting if you don't want to because of the cost of renting. So get plugged in, guys. Get back with whoever tagged you and ask them for the link to the 8:00 call. And I'm telling you, Jasmine already says, I want in. There you go. Jasmine is smart, y'all. Who tagged you, Jasmine? How did you see this video? Jasmine said, I want in. So, y'all, when it's a no-brainer, it's a no-brainer. Oh, one more thing. This company is going to go to the New York Stock Exchange. Okay. So you can literally earn stock in this, y'all. Like, okay, I'm done. That's 6 reasons why you ought to get started. Okay. So listen, get back with whoever, shared this information with you. They tagged you and say, look, I want to come on that call tonight. I want to learn about this 75 for all project. Yolanda says stocks boo. I want to learn about this 75 for all project. And I want to be able to help those families who have always wanted to own and they always gotten a kick, right? They always gotten the door slammed in their face. They always been told no. Those are the families we're going to help. Can we help families with big jumbo loans? Yeah, we sure can. You want to buy $1 million house? Great. We can help with that. But we want to help that mom who's been working 3rd shift and that dad who's working 2-3 jobs and his family still living in an apartment paying $1,800, $2,300. We want to help those families. We want to help that family who lives in a rural area or that family who's, the dad has served in the military and he wants to own a home. I see y'all tapping in. I see those hands up. I see the CC. I think we're actually friends. So if you're friends with me, get in my inbox. If you're friends with somebody that tagged you, get in their inbox and say, what's the link? And guys, we're going to see you on tonight at 8:00. Listen, I have the pleasure at 8:00 of sharing a platform with a young lady who is actually a commercial broker. That means she's been in the real estate space on the commercial side, and she has decided that she wanted to partner with us. So I'm going to be sharing the stage with her. She's going to be telling you guys about how our services can help families get qualified. And I'm going to be telling you guys how you can become a mortgage loan officer in less than 3 weeks. All right. So we'll see you guys at 8:00 tonight. Get back with the person that tagged you or shared this on their page. Get the link, and we'll see you guys in just about an hour. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.